Parents can expect a holistic and realistic education for their intern coming into Project SEARCH, where we focus on not just making sure that they have enough skills to get out of school, but making sure that they're going to be employable, productive citizens of society, and they're going to be able to live independently.
And this program is a one-year program for young adults who are 18 to 21 years old who want to learn job skills. So we have 11-week rotations, 3 of those, that our interns get to participate in. So they go to work every day with their mentors and learn on the job certain skills. We work in various departments with great people who teach us those job skills.
For me, because I'm a single mom, the question was, how would he know where to go? How would they train him? Would they be patient? The communication is excellent, and it's always there.
First day of class, you just have them drop them off at the student union and expect them to do well. You know, that would come with some anxiety, but we did a lot of preparation beforehand. But I also have just complete trust in the skills trainer and the people who are running the program to make sure the kids are safe.
I think the questions are, would my child be safe? Would he be, I think that would probably be number one, and absolutely.
Our hours are from 8 until 3. We have a 1-hour-long lesson about employability, self-reliance, or independent living skills. And then from 9 until 2, they are out at their internships. And at 2, they come back here. We reflect on our day after Project SEARCH.
First one, I set up the chairs and the tables. Second one, I worked at the rec center and cleaned the equipment. And the third one, I worked down at the stock. I forgot exactly what I did. I hung up uniforms, folded them, put them in packages, you know.
We're looking for someone who wants to be independent, who wants to have a job, who's highly motivated to be here every day.
When we come in, I expect a lot from you. I expect you here every day. I expect a good attitude. I expect, let's have fun. I want to push them to, let's get a job. We're gonna find something. We're gonna get you going.
It gets very busy. I feel like I've changed just like how professional I am and how much I've grown, like learning about jobs and taxes, and I just like the people and like and just everything that I learned from it.
We can't believe the girl that we're seeing now, who is wanting to work, who is happy about working, who has such self-esteem in the work that she's doing. She's excited. She can't wait to get up and come to Project SEARCH every day. There's nothing like Project SEARCH. It is the Ivy League, if you would, of transitional programs for kids who have disabilities like my daughter.
We want you to do this on your own, and they are so happy and so proud of themselves when they do it on their own that it makes it all worth the tears in the beginning, the fear, the anxiety.
I mean, it's changed my life, you to gain your independence as an adult, because then you know, oh, there's so many things I could do now. I think my family is very proud of what I've done.
Probably wouldn't be as confident as I am right now without the programs. Yeah, my parents are gonna be like amazed about how far I've come within the past, I don't know, 2 years?
I just want to go to college like my parents did and my brother, but I definitely want to get a job, that would match my speed and the job that fits me.
Oh, it just means everything. I was very, stressed out about it when you see him performing and hearing reports from the staff of how good he's doing, how you just did. It's just a blessing, and I can't describe how happy it makes me.
My reward for working with Project SEARCH interns is I get to see young adults who might not know what they want to do, kind of explore and decide and work through their process to figure out what they want to do for work. So it is pretty cool to see that transition, yeah.
It's great for us because she is excited about her future, and we have so much higher hopes than we did before.
That's the point of Project Search, right? Is to have great outcomes for individuals. And it's not just for my program, it's for lives, to make sure that these interns are prepared for their future life.
We felt like at the time it saved our family. We were listened to and he was listened to. And I feel like those connections are still valued today. It means everything.